Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video about my favorite brushes, the brushes that I use on a regular basis. Actually I have a lot more, but I thought these I should share my absolute favorite brushes, which are like first it was 5, but now I have changed it to 6. So I'm going to show you 6 brushes that I use absolutely every time that I record a video or I do my makeup. So the first brush that I have with me here is this brush by Real Techniques, and this is called the setting brush. This is how it looks like. I use it for my concealer application and sometimes for my powder as well. The shape of this brush is really beautiful. I don't know how to describe the shapes of the brushes and stuff like that, but this is how it looks like, and it really helps me apply the concealer, actually blend the concealer really well. This is how the brush looks like. So the next brush I have with me here is this brush. This is also by Real Techniques. This is called the contour brush, and I have just recently started using this brush for my foundation. This actually is sort of a dome shaped brush, and it really helps to blend the foundation really well, sort of effortlessly, and you don't really have to apply a lot of pressure using this one. So the next brush I have with me here is this buffing brush by Real Techniques as well. So these brushes I bought them I guess when I was in college or maybe even before that. So I used to collect a lot of brushes. So I have a lot of brushes. I used to buy purchase those brushes at that time. So recently I've just purchased a few brushes, but these are all from like back then. So this is also by Real Techniques, and this is the buffing brush. So this I used to use before I started using this brush. So I used to use this one before that, and this really helps, and I used to use this for blending my foundation, and I still use this to blend my foundation in. So the next blush I have with me here is this brush by, I don't know the name is rubbed off. It's by Pack, and it's their 385, like the number of this brush is 385, and this is how it looks like. I use it for powder, and this is a really fluffy brush. And this brush also I've had it for a long time now. So the next brush I have with me here is this. This is also by Pack, I guess. No, this is by Pro Art. And the number is 248E. And this is a really nice smudge brush. So I use this brush to apply eyeshadow under my eyes, or even smudge my eyeshadow, or like smudge my kajal, my kajal. I use this to apply eyeshadow under my eyes and also smudge my kajal with this. So this is a really nice soft brush. I guess this has natural hair, and the others have like synthetic hair, and this has natural hair. So I can feel the difference. Before, like when I showed you the first brush, I did not know the difference between synthetic brush and natural brush, but now that I'm using, touching this, and I can differentiate between the two. I think this is the natural one and that is the synthetic one. So the next brush I have with me here is this brush, and I really can't see the brand name or anything of that sort, and I'm pretty sure it is rubbed off, and I think this is by Pro Art, and I can't even see the number. So this is a really large eyeshadow brush, I feel, and it really helps to apply eyeshadow, like pack the eyeshadow onto my inner lid. I have used this today to put this eyeshadow on, and I really liked it. So I thought that maybe I should also add this one in my favorite brushes list. So yeah guys, that was it for my video, and I hope you like this video. To see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.